Do you want to engrave photos like this? Then you should watch this video till the end. First, open the lightburn software and import the image that you want to engrave. Then, move to Cuts tab and click on the image layer. After this window appeared, go to Speed tab and set it about to 1500. Then, move to Max Power tab and set it to about 20. This will change according to your laser type. Next, go to Image Mode, change it to Grayscale. Now the Min Power tab will activate it, so set it to about 5%. Then click OK. Now you can start engraving the photo. So, did you learn something from the video? And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Bye for now.